Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in today's video, we have a special collaboration and that's called Tablescape Tuesdays. And this is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So now this week is the birthday edition and our guest is Debbie Bubbles. Now she wanted the theme to be fall leaves. Isn't that beautiful? So let's get started, guys. Now, I can never think of Debbie Bubbles and never think of leopard print because she is the leopard queen. So even though she wanted fall leaves as the theme, I had to incorporate some leopard. Remember, when you upload the video, please use the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 2023. As in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Don't forget to head on over to the community tab where there you will see the monthly calendar of collaborations that I host, including Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, if you haven't been over to see Debbie Bubbles' channel, please head on over there. She has absolutely some royal, I love her decor, I love her styling, and of course the leopard print is always included. Head on over there and show her some love, subscribe to her channel, you will not be disappointed. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music as I put this table together and I'll be in and out of the video. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the table. So I draped across the table that leopard print. It's a sheer curtain, and I thrifted that. And so I thought I'd go ahead and just bunch it up in the center, and look how beautiful that looks. Now the vines that are on the table, I purchased at the Dollar Tree along with all of those florals, guys. Those tall florals did come from the Dollar Tree at one time. I don't know how long I've had them. And then I filled the center cylinder with some mini pumpkins. Okay, so now the chargers came from Hobby Lobby, and then those sunflower plates, they came from the Dollar Tree. So we have the napkins that are thrifted along with the napkin rings. We can't have the tablescape without celebrating the birthday queen. So I brought out the cake and I placed the pink candle there to match, and now we're lighting the candle. And so happy birthday, Debbie. I hope your wishes all come true. Okay, so let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I think the tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you guys agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy birthday once again, Debbie. God bless you. Now also remember that the playlist will be listed in my community tab. Have an amazing day, guys.